All right, welcome back to my channels. We are here for a reason. We are here because what we have witnessed from these people, the fallback republic, few weeks now, is very shocking. It is shocking because we have seen how they think, what they can offer. The katakata in their camp is not there because of maybe any magic. It is a result of supporting evil. When you support wickedness, wickedness will find you. When you go all out and begin to lie to people, begin to pretending that you are what you are not, expect this kind of challenges. I am here to go through some of the things, few videos that we are going to check from the eggman. The eggman, the egg breaker, the egg smasher is at work again. Some of you may have forgotten what he said in the past, but believe you me, I have few of them for you to go through together with me this hour. So, but before then, I would like you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us what you think about what the video is all about. Make sure that you follow it step by step. It's not going to be a long video. I can guarantee you that one. But just flashback. Listen to
you need to confirm here is that they have admitted now. You see Adandocho telling you that she want to hear Igbo Botozo. This is Onyame. They have admitted that that voice they heard is troubling them because the voice they heard is Botozo voice. This one have direct contact because he gave him direct contact of Botozo. He has confirmed now that that voice, that jaw, that Chineke is telling Botozo, when you speak, I will know. They know. Let me not talk too much. Our able acting prime minister.
Today, the man, the eggman, is now eating in one spoon, hugging and kissing with Adada Oranjo. The why is such in France is an Ago, one of Ndokwoze Mozo. That is the woman. Okay, that's the woman. So we are not going to, like I said, prolong this video. But you see Chamaka Jere, the eggman, he is something else. He is something else. A very bad man. Some people are praising him, of course, like it is normal in this life. Everybody must not like everything. But the question is, connect what he said a few weeks ago to what he's saying now. Link what he's saying now to what he said a few weeks ago. What can you make out of it? He was calling the same thing what he should have done. The same thing that she's doing. Going up and down, flip-flopping. Today you are here, tomorrow you are here, and they want too much to follow you while you are moving from place to place. These are movement of those who have ulterior motive, those who have evil plan. Because once they knock at your door, once you open the door and they couldn't find that thing they want, they will label you names for them to go to another place to search for that thing. But if truly they are for freedom or for well-being of the people, you don't need to jump around. All you need to do is to maintain your stand and work hard. Make sure that everything goes in the way you expect it to be. But they won't. These people, they can't do that. Hear what the eggman is saying here.
Let me give him the mic to dissect this particular voice before we go to the next one.
Now, before you hear from their ATM, this guy knows that Nkere is not capable. He knows that Nkere is yapping, saying all manner of nonsensical things, trying to isolate himself from all the evil he has committed. Do you understand? He's trying to be who he is not. He understands that Nkere is paying them money just to buy them over. He understands that Nkere is where he is today because they supported him. They know everything, but they choose to. Not only the eggman, All of them. Here he's causing why you see researchers in Nago, well deserved, but he's just as that woman, the same thing, and the man for that matter. Today, as of this moment, he is not in good time with Oge. Oh, the same Oge. Oh, my APM, my honorable APM. Now they're now revealing to us that since February, they have been battling inside the house, looking for a way to solve to patch this thing. Whereas they will on the camera begin to preach to you how to patch man. Join me, join me. How can you tell people to join you to support Oge? That you already know that he's not, the right person to lead. Even though you maneuver things to push him there, but you are calling other people to join you to support you on that. For you to understand what they're doing, just like you went out, okay, to do something. Getting there, you find out that thing that you want to do or you want to buy is fake, and you started calling people. Come, I am here where they're buying something. I'm here in this person's shop. Oh, come and buy something now that you still have some product left. Come. You are calling them to go there to buy something that you already know that is expired product that is not good. Then why are you calling people to join to buy if you are not an evil person? Why? What do I mean by that? They know, according to them, that since January, Nkere, they know that he's not the right. He's not doing well. Because I keep on saying this. Apart from dragging position or dragging post, accounts, for example, and other things that belong to Biafrans, normally, can you beat your chest and say that Nkere will make a good leader? Looking at him, the charisma, the way he conducts himself. I'm not talking about his previous criminal record that everybody is now talking about. And they have gone close to him. They have tested him. Why were they preaching for people to fall back? Few weeks ago, this eggman was telling people, obey PM. So, obey PM to fall back to the man they're regretting putting there. But all this thing is just because they want CS to cry. They want USB to be. They want to frustrate the mandate that PM say protect. They want to frustrate CS because she's the one leading. So you cannot notice that everything is just premeditated, plan to drag everything backwards to stop the USB, even though they know that is a better option than Nkere. But for the fact that they're already there, just like you somebody who failed an exam by putting one nonsensical answer like that, and you're preaching to other students, other of your maybe your co-students to write the same that you have already written, that you know that they're not gonna make it. But you keep on telling them to write it that way, to put the same answer that failed you, simply because you want them to feel like you, not because you mean well for them. Let me repeat, they are already close to Nkere. They know already, they have tested him. Yet, they will cry inside and come out and on the camera preaching to you to join them so that you can regret the way they are regretting. Today, the Casaladon box, everybody is not confessing. But this audio you're watching here is part of the ordeal and activities of part of the activities of the eggman, the egg breaker, the egg smasher, the man who made egg to become expensive in Europe. Listen to him.
Able acting prime minister, please, you have the mic, sir.
You're welcome. Able acting prime minister. This is what of
direct contact of Botu.
What of Sabo?
He has confirmed. Go to the next one.
What of Sabo?
Able acting prime minister, please, you have the mic, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Few weeks ago. Now listen.
Thank you very much. And how they able to even call Butuza?
What I mean by few weeks, I'm not talking about last week. I'm talking about multiple weeks makes months, right? 4 weeks make 1 month. This is maybe a couple of months. But Nkere here was actually lying, dishing out lies, just to maintain this ATM. That's all, nothing more, nothing serious. Just to become the ATM of all ATMs. Is that how to build a country? Is that the best thing to do? Is that the right thing to do? I don't think so. I don't think so. But what do I know? Listen.
Is the contact they have earlier when everything started, but now they can't even reach him again. This, it just happened that that's one of his old line that they have, but that's what it is. That's what it is. This man called Philip Ajuke Onyam is an evil human being. If you are listening to his utterances, you will find out that he's threatening a man that is safeguarding our land, a man that has sacrificed a lot.
This Nkere is very, very dubious. What he said now is a lie, just for people to hate this our brother here. Oyami. Look at Oyami here. This is the Oyami he's talking about. This man have worked hard to make things to be in order, trying to talk sense to many people. They chose to do because Nkere know how to buy people over, like Eggman have confessed, in recent days that he paid people. I think that confession was yesterday. But not only that, that's not the first confession. He have actually confessed that they are paying him money, which should be another concern to you if you care. If you care.
That is doing everything. Mm-hmm. Can you imagine the kind of people that are working with Ngozi Olabisi? There's a lot of other audio, both the one he sent to Vision 555 from other people. It's a lot. And this is audio that he recorded and sent to this general. It's not like Ngozi that record people. He's not, no one recording him. He record himself and send this audio. And this how Ngozi come be terrorizing a lot of people you see working with Ngozi today. This is how they call them and terrorize them. This is how they call them. There's this other one that live in New Jersey. Is called himself Pastor Valentine. All these evil people, they always want to answer clergy name, pastor, reverend, like Ebenezer called them. They are just the same, very, very evil. This man called Philip Ajoke, he's part of the redeclaration committee. I added him membership. But we went to Finland. He did not contribute a dime into it. He came in one of our meetings about a month ago before I removed him from the platform. And I asked him, why is he here? He said he saw the link, that's why he joined. And I said, Philip, you are in this platform for almost 9 months that we create the platform, and he's part of the redeclaration that he didn't put it down. And I asked him, what is he doing here before I kick him out? I reached out to this man 2 days ago, and I told him, whatever this general told you, take it very serious. Don't let this man lay curse on you because his hand is clean. If this man lay curse on you, it will affect that. It will affect him.
See the Eggman nodding his head. Now let's go to the recent activity of the Eggman.
Told someone that you will buy the media. So
now, you told someone that you buy the media.
You told someone that you will buy the media. Mm-hmm. So when I was told that yesterday, somebody told me, Nkere, confided in him or her, because I don't want to reveal this identity, that he was going to buy over the media. So what you wanted to do was to buy over the media, and you have done it. You understand? And you've done it to buy the media. Thank you, Aderele. Thank you, Aderele. Now, the most important thing.
Some of you know this man called Aderele. Aderele. That's what I called him when he was here. He pretend to be a Yoruba person, but an evil man. An evil man. He was here this bothering
He
me.
was going to buy over the media. So what you wanted to do was to buy over the media, and you have done it. You understand? And you have done it to buy the media. Thank you, Adelele. Thank you, Adelele.
This man here that messaged him here was holding spanner here on my channel, not this, my main platform, not this one. But when the whole thing started, he sneaked in trying to talk me to that nonsense. I rejected. He started, cursing himself, and that curse remained with you. It remained with him because I don't know him. I don't care to know him. Anyway, this is not about it. I just want to remind us that because some of you may know him, he was here holding spanner, a criminal for that matter.
You understand? And you have done it to buy the media. Thank you, Adelele. Thank you, Adelele. Now, the most important thing I am going to be telling you guys this morning is that many of us people have
the eggman. So when did he bought the media? When did he buy that media that we're talking about? You said that he succeeded. The question is, when did you notice that he bought or he buy the media? Where were you? Are you part of the people? Yeah? Are you part of the people? Now we are trying to confess so that people will see you as a decent and genuine, reliable someone that they can trust their money in their hands. If you know, the same. We are the only people that will fall to this your scam scheme is those who don't listen to us, or maybe in the primary school and nursery school now. That's the only people that we can deceive as long as we are here. Anybody that know that we have some brain cells, we never ever pay attention to scam scheme. Because the truth is always as bright as sunlight.
Over the media, and you have done it.
Let me take it back
again. That you will buy the media.
You told someone that you will buy the media.
So when I was told that yesterday, somebody told me, Nkere.
The previous video that we played, he was my honorable prime minister. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, in space of few months, chameleons. The most annoying part is that from day one they know that Nkere is not for anything decent. Like he's not for anything good. But being that they have made up their mind to sabotage, he will ride down with that kind of trend, telling people that Nkere is good. Come, fall back. He's come, airborne. And once they close the video. Nah, give him this way to tell this old girl. No, not complaining. They keep on complaining behind the scene. They will not come online to tell you to fall back. Just like somebody who lives in a house that is leaking water. In the rainy season, you can't sleep because you can't sleep at night. Once rain starts, you'll be soaked with the rain, with the water. And in the daytime, they will go out, start searching for visitors that will pass the night in the house in the rainy season. They know that the house is leaking. That house is leaking. It is leaking, and they have instead of them to focus on patching the leaking house, they were busy looking for who to join them to sleep in that leaked house. For them to experience the pain and agony of passing the night when it rains, it's raining in the rainy season at night, just for them to feel the pain. That is what gladdens their hearts. That's exactly what these guys have done, or what they're doing.
Confided in him or her, because I don't want to reveal this identity, that he was going to buy over the media. So what you wanted to do was to buy over the media, and you have done it.
You have done it.
You understand? And you have done it to buy the media.
So the question is, since you noticed that he bought the media, were you part of the media? And when did he buy this media you're talking about? You see, Okoko, he bought the media. But I just want to admit that you are his product. You are one of his subjects. Remember when 247, our brother said that Vision 5 told him in confidence that Nkere to reveal to him that he want to be PM, he want to lead. When before PM was taken, all this sabotage did not start today. My people, like the video and tell me what to think about it. God bless you. Okay, let's end it here. Tell me what you think about it on comment section. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you and see you again